We're inside Right to Explain, the area for our members where you've got free access to lots of different resources, and I've just added the Right to Explain Christmas to-do lists. So we'll have a look in here, and all you've got to do is go to File and Make a Copy, and you just name it whatever you like. I'm going to put it under my name. I'm going to make a copy. And here we are. So we've got 5 lists in here with plenty of options for your tasks. Now, what I've done is I've given you an example as well. So if you press the example, you can see here that the information updates in real time as you check stuff off, or you add stuff in. So I'm not entirely sure why that has not gone over to the center, but if something doesn't quite work, you can easily do that. It's not a big deal. So I think also we could just put things there like that, so everything is centralized. So now, once you do that, so that should work nicely. So you just go here and update it. You just press this grey rectangle here, and in fact, just whilst we're here, I'll just quickly do that so everything is updated. Of course, no matter how cautious or careful you are, mistakes happen. So, and this rectangle, it selects everything. So it's just a one-click select, which is really useful. So if you need to, you can change things over here. So let's go back to the example. And as we can see, this is really useful. So we've got shopping here, wrapping, decorating, events and activities, meal prep, cleaning. We use this to scroll along, making crackers, board games, reading the Bible, Christmas lights, prayers, and present hiding. Now, of course, you can change this out. So if you wanted to change something, you could do that. That's not a problem. You could change it to whatever you need it to be changed to. But it is very useful to have the example so you can see how it works. Now, a couple of things to note. So if you're in your list and say you copy and paste something in here, if you copy and paste something over to the right here, it could damage the formatting slightly. So the way to deal with that, if you do copy and paste something in here, it could disrupt the formatting and break off this into 2 separate pieces, but that's an easy fix. So you just go here and merge. You just press the merge. That's all you do. So that's unmerged it, and that's remerged it. Now, another thing you might need to take into account is if you delete these, so you delete this, and the graph disappears. Well, the simple reason is because there's no information here. So I'm just going to press Command Z. So you need something here, some writing in here, to see the graph. otherwise there'll be no information there. So, yep, join up with writetoexplain.net and grab your freebies.